Step 23. Connect panel 21R1 and 21R2 to the rear of the shed with 8 screws. I actually undid the center screws over here and over here, and the screws went in through 3 layers. That adds more strength. Step 23. Step 24 is connect the doorway panels 21L1 and 21L2 to the beams at the front with 8 screws, 4 for each panel. I had a little trouble lining up the beam 6, I believe, with these, so I had to really push, but then it left me with an overlap without a hole. So I made sure and reached and loosened up this panel and made sure to screw this corner piece because this adds more strength. And I left this open for a longer screw. I'm actually going to get a longer screw to send in, and I'm going to connect whatever beam that goes to this one with a longer screw. So I've had to make some adaptations to make things actually fit and work easily. That's step 24.